Hey, what's up? It's your boy Search². Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Z Fold6, and so I'm super excited right now. Usually when I'm just got off of work right now, so usually when I get off of work, I'm kind of tired. I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to do nothing, but I actually do have a lot of energy right now. I'm not sure. I think it's because I'm really excited about this smartphone. So I wanted to check it out, unbox it. I do have a case right here, and I do have the Z Fold6 right here. So we're going to be taking a look at it and unboxing it for the first time. The Z Fold6 is an AI powered phone right now. I actually got a really good deal on it. So the normal price is like $2,300 or something, but on Amazon they have a $300 gift card if you purchase it right now, so it comes down to $18.99, and then they have a limited time deal. But I was actually able to get mine at first for $689, and then when I logged back into the website, Samsung added some discounts, and I also had some employee discounts, so I was able to get it for $480. And when I saw that price, I jumped on it. So it's here now. Let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at it. So here is the box. I'm gonna go ahead, cut the top open. And I actually want to just do the unboxing to show you guys what comes inside the packaging. I also have a case right here from the good folks over at Poetic. So I have a case ready to go right away. So this is the Poetic metallic gun Z Fold6 Spartan. So let's go ahead and take a look at the phone right here. It comes in some recyclable materials inside of here. All right, so this is what you get. I'm gonna put my invoice to the side. I told you I paid $480, which is one of the main reasons I couldn't pass up on this phone. So I got the invoice right here, and yeah, let's get this thing going. So I'm gonna throw that off to the side. It comes in this material right here. Interesting choice of material. All right, so this is the Z Fold6 right here. You can see it's in that silver color, the silver shadow color. And so the Z Fold6 is right here. I'm gonna pause the video so I could get my Z Fold5 so I could show you a comparison of them side by side. All right, so like I said, I'm super excited. This is my Z Fold5. I actually have another case on there from Poetic, which I'm a partner with, and they've been, every time I get a new phone, I just want to shout them out because they always hook me up with a case that I'm able to use right away. So this is the Z Fold5, so we can compare it. I'm going to put it off to the side right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the Z Fold6 right now. So let's just focus on the Z Fold6. You know, you get that image of the phone in silver on there. Has like a nice little pattern right here. Then you get Z Fold on here right on the side. It's held together with some peel tabs, so we don't need a knife. And then on the box it's gonna have some basic information, no specs on the box. So let's go ahead and take off the peel tab. Are you kidding me? Let me see. Let's try this side. Maybe we did need a knife. Oh, there we go. This one came off nice and good. Let's try this side now. Okay, cool. And yeah, so like I said, for the price of what I paid for this device, I couldn't actually pass on the deal. It kept coming up on my Samsung app, and I was like, okay, I'll pass. Then when I logged in and I saw $480 with all the discounts, I was like, I can't take that L. So here it is. This is the Z Fold6 right here inside the package. You could see the camera setup is going to be different, and we'll compare that in just a second. But first, let's get it out of the box. Damn, that's the only thing in the box is the phone itself. That's crazy. So there's nothing else in here. Hold on. Oh, here we go. So it's on, everything else is on the other side. So they put it on the top portion, which you have to pop out, and then there's nothing else at the top. So when you take the top off, let's see. I'm trying not to rip anything because case I resell any of my stuff, I like to keep it nice and pristine. So you get the Type-C to Type-C charger, and then you get the SIM remover tool in there, and that's everything except for the user guide and the warranty the terms and conditions, and then basically it says right here volume control capabilities. So it does have voice over Wi-Fi, voice over LTE, voice over near NR, voice over NR. Forgot what that stands for, but it has that. And so now that we got all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the Z Fold 6. So like I said, this is the Z Fold 6. This is the Z Fold 5 side by side. Let's take a look at the height comparison. So pretty much like a millimeter taller on the Z Fold 5, it looks like. And then as far as the width, it looks like we're getting a slightly wider on the Z Fold 6. So the Z Fold 6 is going to be a little bit shorter, but a little bit wider, which is awesome. And then on the front display, they put a wider screen on. You could definitely see it's a little bit wider and more symmetrical. So when you close the Z Fold 5, you can see you get that area right here where it kind of extends out, making it look a little awkward visually. But on the Z Fold 6, they fixed that. So let's go ahead and focus on this phone right now, and then you just peel this off of the phone. You have a screen protector on there as well. This feels crazy. It has a boxy sides on it, rounded corners, and the sides are a little bit more boxy this time. Okay, so it looks like they have a little bit more reinforcement on the edges right here. It has like a metal reinforcement compared to the one right here. It just feels like it has a little bit more lip on that metal. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and boot this one up real quick. So volume rocker right here, there's a little thing right here. It doesn't do nothing. Power button, I'm gonna go ahead and give it some juice. And like I said, this is just the unboxing, so hopefully it does have some juice right out of the box. I'm holding that down, and there we go, Samsung on there. A sticker on the back, which I'll take off. They do have a screen protector on the phone right here on the outside. I'm going to keep that on there. Wait, no, you could take it off right here. Alright, cool. That would have been nice if they did put one on the outside though. Alright, so you can see right here the phone is already up and starting. So I'm pretty sure my cameras are going to stop when I set this up. So I'm gonna hit start, but one of the things I'm gonna do is just skip this part, because during this I was gonna pause it, but I actually see a big difference when it comes to the crease. I could see this crease right here when I'm looking at the phones, where I don't even see nothing on this one. And that's crazy how big of a difference it looks when you compare both of them side by side. And I'm looking at the crease. So it says right here that it's gonna basically take the info from one of my phones and stuff like that. So I'm gonna skip this part. All right, so obviously the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is gonna have the AI features. So you get the call assist, the chat assist, the interpreter. You also do get note assist and transcript assist. Let's click more. You also do get like it says right there, everything again, drawing assist as well, photo, ambient wallpaper, health assist, browser assist, and what else didn't I say? Photo assist. So that's pretty much everything. And then right here you can see your Samsung services. Let's agree. And then let's go ahead, light or dark. I'm gonna go ahead, I like the dark mode, and also saves battery. And then it just tells you everything that you need to know. So pause the video right here and then read that for yourself. Let me go ahead, hit next. It says you're finished. So that's pretty much the unboxing experience. I tried to do the transfer data process, but I'm recording with two Samsung devices, so those devices actually tried to connect to the Fold. So I had the A34 right here, and I had this Note 10 right here. So they both stopped recording while I was setting it up. So the first thing I noticed is that I can't see the crease on here. It doesn't even look like this one has a crease. And then first time folding it closed, that it feels, you could definitely feel it's much lighter. It's a lot more, the weight is lighter. So this is crazy. The weight is lighter. It folds a little bit further closed. You could still see the air gap in there. Let me show you. So let me see. Obviously you could see right through the Fold 5, the Z Fold 5, but on the Z Fold 6 you can't see through it. So you can see right there, you can see through the Fold 5. On the Z Fold 6 you can't see anything through there. So they did close it a little bit. As far as the designs on the back, you can see that the cameras are a little bit different, and let me show you the biggest difference. Is that disc that they put around it. I'm not sure why they put it. It makes it look bigger and a little bit more bulkier and chunkier. Let's see how it feels when it's on the table. So it does rock, just like the Z Fold 5 rocks. So they both rock. I'm not sure why they choose to do that, but anyway, you get this matte texture on the hinge, and it says Samsung. This one also says the same thing, so nothing's changed there. What the heck? Alright, so basically the Smart Connect feature keeps connecting to the cameras I'm using, which are both Galaxy phones. So that's why the video is a little bit, keeps stopping on me. But you can see that, yeah, like I said, the cameras are going to be a lot more bulkier and chunkier. And then the little strip where the cameras are, you could definitely see that it's definitely, you could see the difference. But the power button, volume rockers, everything is all in the same place right there. Everything is pretty much, everything is the same. They did go with the more cleaner speaker look. It's just a single strip compared to the holes that you're getting. I turned off the Z Fold 5 just because I was getting that trying to connect to my phone every single time I'm using it. But the real difference is, look at the front of the display. You can't really tell that piece sticking out on the Z Fold 5 on the left side right here isn't as apparent. So that's one of the other differences as well. So I just turned it back on so you could kind of tell, you could kind of see the screen side by side. But I'm going to finish setting it up off camera. And so what we're getting is everything on here. So you get your, let's go ahead and right here so we could add more of our stuff on there. So right now, hopefully it doesn't do that again, but you get your sync. We could drag this up here. Let's move this up here, microphone access up here. Take a screenshot, camera access. What else? NFC, definitely. Live caption, sound notifications. Hopefully it doesn't try to connect to the Samsung thing again. Secure Wi-Fi. So there's a lot of stuff down here that you have to drag up into your phone so you can have all these features right when you set it up. So they have a lot of things here. Dolby Atmos. All of this stuff is going to be hidden unless you do this. So wireless power, create a note, and you can see the rest of it is here. So let's hit done. And yeah, so my first impressions are it's a lot lighter, it's a lot cleaner and more refined, feels better in the hand because of the lightweight on there. And so yeah, I could definitely appreciate that. But I definitely appreciate the fact that the hinge is shut. I definitely appreciate you get more screen real estate on the front without changing the whole entire design. So they did do their thing when it came to doing that. And then so when you open it up, the hinge still feels really clean. It feels really good, actually. I think they improved it a little bit too. So when you're holding it like this in temp mode, it's definitely going to be pretty solid as well. But these are just my first impressions. Now I'm going to just go ahead and my next video might be comparing the cameras on the Z Fold 5 and the Z Fold 6. So make sure you guys stay locked in for that. But let's take a look at this Poetic case so we could have some protection. You don't want to go raw doggy when using a phone of this sort and this caliber, and especially for the price. So the Spartan is on deck. Let's go ahead and see. You get your replacement adhesive strips. That's something new. Or I don't know if it's new, maybe it's not, but I don't remember that. And then this is the case itself. You get the tempered glass. You get your option for the pen. That's actually pretty cool. Hold on, let me see something real quick. All right, so I used 3 different styles of S Pens. This is the one that you can use on the outer display because it doesn't have the tip that doesn't allow you to draw, so I use that one. This is the newer, flatter S Pen, so I use that one because it fits in the cases. And this is the OG one for the original Z Fold 4. So let's see if the flat one is gonna fit inside of here. That would be great. If not, then I'll be damned. Whoa, that's perfect. It fits in there. That's crazy. So awesome. So you have access to it at all times. Let's go ahead and put that on there. And that's going to be awesome because when I'm using this phone now, I can just have the pen available without having to store it in my bag or whatever. This part, I actually took off this part, so I needed that part. Damn. Hold, let me put this off to the side for a second. And then it says right here, separate in front casting. I think that's everything. All right, cool. And we're gonna put that right over top of the phone, and yeah, so it's a little bit, this side piece does kind of make it look a little weird, but when you open it up, you have access to the full screen. You also do get the pen attachment and the kickstand as well, which is awesome. So you could use it in this orientation. What about this way? Yeah, so yeah, you could use it like this. You could even use it that way. So that's going to be definitely convenient on the Z Fold 6. Let me know what you guys think about this unboxing and first look. I'm definitely going to get into some more details in the next video. And shout out to Poetic for sending out this case. I did purchase the phone with my own money. Like I said, I paid $480 with all the discounts and everything and the trade-in. So we'll try to get the camera test out, and then we'll try to get the first impressions after about 4 or 5 days of using it, and then battery testing it and camera testing it and then performance testing it. But I'm really impressed with it. Let me know what you guys think about the Z Fold 6. I could definitely see some cool improvements when it comes to the design. When it comes to the performance, you're getting that Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. You're getting all the AI features with the sketch assist, the sketch. You also do get that AI feature where it lets you turn your face into a cartoon. A lot of cool stuff. We're going to get into that, and make sure you stay locked into the end of the video. And if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. I'll check you guys out on the next video, but make sure you guys stay locked in with me. And if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, just type I'm still here so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And I'm going to hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.
About to take my tech game to another level. I'm like 1+, cause I never want to settle. I'm not choosy, it don't move me if it come with bezel. If it got 2 screens like a new scene, I wanna stretch you. I'm not trying to get it scratched, so I bought a case. I got extra memory and then storage space. If it gets security, then it's sorta safe. Just to unlock it, all I gotta do is show my face. Downloaded new wallpapers so it coordinates. My phone is fast, yours moving at a tortoise pace. It got gorgeous traits and the latest tricks. It takes the greatest pics and it's sturdy like the weight of bricks. Yeah.